Press the button repeatedly to increment floor numbers. Oh, basement 1. Ground. Ground. Proceed to car.
Very awesome.
Has arrived.
Elevator M has arrived. Okay, let's go down.
Elevator M has arrived. Elevator M has arrived. Elevator M has arrived.
Yeah, we get it now. Some nice Otis Compas PLUS lifts at, what's this place called? I'm not sure, but they're so awesome and fast. Oh, such a nice feeling going so fast in a lift like that. Whoa, very, very, very. Oh gosh. Oh, that feeling. I feel like I'm off the ground. Let's try 22. Keypad. J. I haven't used this one yet. Another one. Lift J. Can't stay up too long because I have a train to catch after this. I'm just trying to film as many lifts as I can. Look at that awesome, oh, this one's very loud. Awesome LCD thing. I thought I said full 275 for a second. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30th floor.
Going down. Going down.
Back down to ground, then we're gonna go. I have a train to catch. There you go.